From the commercial success of Bridgestone, Adinath now entered the service industry with Prime Healthcare Government Hospital, Ratlam project. The process highlights safe installing material at the site, stunning installation of V-Lite standing seam panels and V-Lite Polycarbonate Multiwal sheets along with its accessories at par excellence. The quality concept of ISO standard is also ensured through the water leakage testing by the trained people of Adinath Group. Adinath Plast Private Limited, serving for bright future. We like, we like.